Good morning, this is Keith All and welcome back to another tutorial. Today will be a very quick tutorial, but I wanted to show you the two different ways that I know of that you could test out your mobile version of your website using the Cheetah builder within Builderall. Of course, the first way is to come over here once you're within your website page that you're editing. Of course, you could come up here to the upper left and you could select the mobile option. So let's launch the mobile option, give it a second to load up. Okay, here we are within the mobile development portion of your site, and this is the one way that you could look to see how your mobile version looks. And of course, if you're in the editing environment, you could edit this. So this is one way to see exactly how your mobile version looks. But I want to show you a different way if you're using the Chrome browser. So let's go back to the desktop version. Okay, we're back at the desktop version. Let's click the home over here, upper left, and I'm just going to say save and exit on this. Give it a second while it saves the changes. Okay, we're back on the main page where we could see the number of pages that we have for this particular website that we're working on. If you click on these three dots here, which is called the ellipsis, you have the option of viewing the web page in the browser. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're viewing the site within the browser. I'm using the Chrome browser on the PC. And again, I don't know if you have this option, what I'm about to show you, if you use Firefox or Internet Explorer or any other browser out there, but this works with the Chrome browser. If you right click on your web page, there's an option on the bottom that says Inspect. Okay. Now it automatically brought up what I'm going to show you in a second, but if you look up to the upper right, there's an option that says Toggle Device Toolbar. So if I toggle it, right now we're just viewing the website as normal that fits within these parameters right here. Okay, but if I toggle back, let me toggle back, you're able to view the site as it would appear by adjusting the width of this. So right now we could see it in different sizes up here, and it says, again, you can play around with these options up here, the size of the screen that you want, but if you use your mouse button and just pull this over to the left, you can see how it's going to look within your mobile browser. And if you scroll up and down, you could see everything, how it looks, what it would look in your mobile browser, which in this case, this is probably the size of your cell phone. So you can't edit the site from here, but this gives you an indication of what this website would look like on various different sizes, screen sizes. Again, you could adjust it up here. You could you could select many different phone sizes up here, or you could just leave it as responsive and then you could adjust it like that. So this could be probably a tablet version right here. So so I just wanted to show you how you could see your mobile version of your website using a Cheetah builder within Builderall. Hopefully this gave you an idea. So when you're in development mode, you could test things out. I want to thank you again for stopping by. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be first to be notified. Thanks again for stopping by, and again, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.